Yeah. Oh, missed him. That was a really good take. Yeah, come on. Oh, get in. Surprised you came back for that. Very surprised. Get on the rail. Took it twice there. Must have just grabbed the tail the first time. Strong fish. Very strong fish in this current. I don't think he's the biggest. But he's putting a bend in this 6-way. Well, the articulated black streamer doing the business there. Oh, he's staying deep anyway. A bit of side strain. Oh, a nice wild trout. He's about £1.5 pound, maybe 2. Oh, lovely spots on him. Yeah, he's in the net. Oh, he's a lovely fish. Spots on that. Black deer hair head, articulated streamer. It's about 3 inches long, 3.5 inches long. Yeah. Oh, I feel like them. Maybe he's not as good as the first one actually. But I'll tell you what, that rod, how well he's pulling in this current. Feels good. That is not bad. About £1, something like that. One foot of fish. Changed over to just the olive one. I lost both my black ones, so I had to switch over. Oh yeah. Oh, he's a massive one. Oh, he's a good one. Oh, get in. Really good fish, this is. Oh, he's taking a lot of line. So I can get, pull him into this side. Oh, first cast into the stretch. Yeah, he's took a lot of line there. Put a lot of pressure on him. Getting the rod low. Oh, he's not as big as what I thought. He's £1.5. Yeah, he's in there. That might be tough. Yeah. Tail's a good fish as well. seen that here. Oh, he's taking line. Oh, yes. Decent fish. Yeah. Oh.